Today we are going to solve the miscellaneous exercise problem of linear inequality. It is fourth part of your NCERT textbook. It means video. So see here, question number first up to 6 as we are given. Solve the inequality in 1 to 6. It means we are going to solve what is the value of x as given in inequality. हमको ये बताना है कि x की वैल्यू इस इनइक्वालिटीज के अंतर्गत किसके बीच में रहेगी। हमारे पास दो रूल्स हैं, जैसा हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में बताया कि फर्स्ट रूल के अकॉर्डिंग अपन सेम नंबर ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं इनइक्वालिटीज में, यहाँ पर कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होता है इनइक्वालिटीज का। सेकंड रूल जो आपका है कि आप एक ही नंबर से दोनों तरफ मल्टीपल अथवा डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। डिवाइड की कंडीशन ये होना चाहिए कि the number should not be 0. So as here given 3x plus 11 divided by 2 is less than equal to 11 and 7 is less than equal to 3x plus 11 by 2. Using second rule, multiply by 2 on the each steps. With each steps we get 2 7 is 14 is less than equal to 3x plus 11 is less than equal to 22. Now using rule first, subtracting 11 in each step we get 3 is less than equal to 3x is less than equal to 11. Now as using again rule first, we get divided by 3 to each steps. 1 is less than equal to x is less than equal to 11 by 3. So required solution for x is lies between 1 to 11 by 3 is the answer of this question. Now see your next problem as we are given in miscellaneous exercise. Solve the inequalities of exercise 7 to 10 and represent the solution graphically on number line. So see here, first is a given 5 in bracket 2x minus 7 minus 3 2x plus 3 is less than equal to 0, and second inequality is given as 2x plus 19 is less than equal to 6x plus 47 and 10x minus 35 after breaking the bracket we get minus 9 is less than equal to 0, and in your second inequality 2x minus 6x is less than equal to 47 minus 19. To solve using first and second rule respectively, we get x less than equal to 11 and x greater than equal to minus 7. That is the required solutions x lies between minus 7 to 11. Now we are going to represent in graphically. See here. So and graphically the solution is our x lies between minus 7 up to 11. Thus in graphically we see represent here x minus 7 up to 11 and the number line is our required solutions for this question. Now see your next problem. Question number 12. What is your saying? Question number 12. Question number 12 is here a solution of 8% boric acid is to be diluted by adding 2% boric acid solutions to it. The resulting mixture is to be more than 4% but less than 6% boric acid. If you have 640 liters of 8% solutions, how many liters of that 2% solutions will have to be added? क्वेश्चन आपसे ये पूछ रहा है, एक सॉल्यूशन हमारे पास जो है 8% बोरिक एसिड का है, जिसको हमको 2% बोरिक एसिड सॉल्यूशन में मिला करके डाइल्यूट करना है। तो रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर आपका कैसा होना चाहिए? 4% बोरिक एसिड सॉल्यूशन से लेस देन माने मोर देन होना चाहिए और 6% बोरिक एसिड सॉल्यूशन से मोर लेस देन होना चाहिए। इट मींस 4% but less than 6% boric acid solutions as we are given. If we have 640 liters of 8% solution, हमारे पास जो 640 लीटर का जो है 8% boric acid solutions given है। आगे सी अने क्वेश्चन आपके पास क्या है कि कितना लीटर आप 2% बोरिक एसिड का सॉल्यूशन आप मिक्स करेंगे 640 लीटर्स के सॉल्यूशन में, जो 8% बोरिक एसिड सॉल्यूशन घटता है, जबकि आपकी कंडीशंस कैसी होनी चाहिए कि 4% ऑफ बोरिक एसिड सॉल्यूशन से ज्यादा होना चाहिए और 6% बोरिक एसिड सॉल्यूशन से कम होना चाहिए। So see here, according to question, let x liters of 2% boric acid solution is required to be added. Then total mixture is equal to 640 liters. As given, the resulting mixture is to be more than 4% but less than 6% boric acid. So as given condition, 2% of x जिसको हमने मिक्स किया है, 8% ऑफ 640 जो हमारे पास गिवन है। अब इसका रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर जो है मोर देन होना चाहिए 4% ऑफ टोटल मिक्सचर। तो ये 4% ऑफ टोटल मिक्सचर, इट मींस x plus 640 एंड सेकंड कंडीशन लेस देन 6% बोरिक एसिड रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर शुड बी। सो हियर 2% ऑफ x जो हमने मिक्स किया, 8% ऑफ 640 जो अवेलेबल है हमारे पास। आफ्टर मिक्सिंग द 2% ऑफ बोरिक एसिड टोटल मिक्सचर x plus 640 it is 6% of, it means this should be less than 6% of x plus 640. According to these conditions we have two inequalities. First is in your first part and second is given in your second part. So see here, 2 divided by 100 into x plus set by 100 into 640 is greater than 4 by 100 into x plus 640. After that, multiplying both sides by 100, 2x plus add into this, it means 5.20 is greater than 4x plus 2560. And 5.20 minus 2560 is greater than 4x minus 2x. After subtracting we get 2560 is greater than 2x. Thus 2 by 100 into x plus 7 by 100 into 640 for second inequality is less than 6 by 100 to get x plus 640. After that 2x plus 5.20 is less than 6x plus 3840. Hence 5.20 minus 3840 is less than 6x minus 2x, and after this 180 is less than 4x. Using second rule, dividing both sides by 2 in your first inequality and 4 by in your second, we get 180 is greater than x and 320 is less than x. It means 320 is less than x is less than 1280 is the answer of this question. That is, thus the number of liters of 2% of boric acid solutions that is to be added will have to be more than 320 liters but less than 1280 as the given condition is the answer of this question. The meaning of this is here that हमको जो 2% बोरिक एसिड का सॉल्यूशन जो मिक्स करना है वो 320 से ज्यादा होना चाहिए और 1280 से लेस देन होना चाहिए अपने रिक्वायर्ड टारगेट को ऑब्टेन करने के लिए। नाउ सी योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। नाउ सी योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. It is an important question. Question is here, how many liters of water will have to be added to 1125 liters? क्वेश्चन आपका बोल रहा है कि कितना वाटर आपको 1125 लीटर में ऐड करना है जो 45% सॉल्यूशंस एसिड का रखता है। इट मींस लीटर्स ऑफ द 45 सॉल्यूशंस 45% सॉल्यूशन ऑफ एसिड। 1125 में 45% आपका एसिड सॉल्यूशन है। अब कंडीशन क्या होना चाहिए? इट मींस सो दैट द रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर विल कंटेन मोर देन 25% but less than 30% acid content. क्वेश्चन आपका बोल रहा है कि 45% हमारे पास अवेलेबल है 1125 लीटर मिक्सचर का सॉल्यूशन। हमको कितना वाटर इसमें ऐड करना है कि अपना रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर जो है 25% से ग्रेटर देन होना चाहिए और 30% से आपका लेस देन होना चाहिए। So according to question आप करते हैं जैसे वाटर एसिड में रहता है। सो लेट x liters of water is required to be added to get the required condition. Then a given resulting mixture will contain more than 25% but less than 30% acid content. So 25% of x plus 1125 liter ये आपका रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर हो गया। जो 25% एसिड से आपका क्या होना चाहिए, लेस देन होना चाहिए। 0% एसिड आपका वाटर में रहता है, तो 0% ऑफ x प्लस 45% ऑफ 1125 लीटर ये आपके पास अवेलेबल है। एंड सेकंड कंडीशन 30% ऑफ x प्लस 1125 ये आपका मिक्सचर हो गया। शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 0% ऑफ x प्लस 45% ऑफ 1125। Finally, using first and second rule to solve these inequalities, we get 25 divided by 100 in bracket x plus 1125 is less than 45% of 100 into 1125. Multiplying by 100 on the both sides, and to raise the bracket after this, we get x is less than 900. Similarly, as in second inequality, we get to solve the value of x is more than 562.5 liters. That is, x lies between 562.5 and 900. That is the amount of water added should be between 562.5 and 900 liters. Is the answer of this question. Thanks.